Welcome to this video on how to identify your key partners and suppliers. In this video, we'll be discussing why it's important to identify these key players in your business, how to go about finding and evaluating potential partners and suppliers, and how to build and maintain strong relationships with them. First, let's talk about why it's important to identify your key partners and suppliers. Simply put, these are the individuals or organizations that help your business run smoothly and effectively. They can provide you with the resources, services, and support you need to grow and succeed. For example, if you're running a retail business, your key suppliers might include the companies that provide you with the products you sell. On the other hand, if you're a service-based business, your key partners might include other service providers or freelancers who help you deliver your services to your clients. In any case, it's important to identify these key players early on in the process of starting or running your business. This will allow you to build strong, mutually beneficial relationships with them, which can help ensure the success of your business. So how do you go about finding and evaluating potential partners and suppliers? Let me share a few tips first. Number 1. Start by making a list of resources and services you need to run your business. This will help you narrow down your search and focus on the key partners and suppliers that are most important to your business. Number 2. Research potential partners and suppliers online. Look for reviews, ratings, and testimonials from other businesses or customers to get an idea of their reliability and quality. Number 3. Reach out to potential partners and suppliers directly to ask questions and get more information. This is a great opportunity to build rapport and get a sense of whether or not they might be a good fit for your business. Number 4. Consider factors like price, quality, and delivery times when evaluating potential partners and suppliers. It's important to find a balance between cost and quality to ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. Once you've identified your key partners and suppliers, it's important to maintain strong relationships with them. Here are a few tips for building and maintaining these relationships. 1. Communicate regularly with your partners and suppliers. This will help ensure that everyone is on the same page and that any issues or concerns are addressed in a timely manner. 2. Show your appreciation for your partners and suppliers. This could be as simple as thanking them for their work or offering small tokens of appreciation, like gift cards or personalized thank you notes. 3. Be open and transparent with your partners and suppliers. This will help build trust and foster a positive working relationship. And 4. Be flexible and willing to compromise. While it's important to advocate for your business, it's also important to be open to finding solutions that work for both parties. In summary, identifying your key partners and suppliers is crucial to the success of your business. By researching and evaluating potential partners and suppliers, and by building and maintaining strong relationships with them, you can ensure that your business has the resources and support it needs to thrive.